Range for floats. Is there a range equivalent for floats in Python?
You can either use or use lambda map.
I don't know a built-in function, but writing one like this URL shouldn't be too complicated. As the comments mention, this could produce unpredictable results like to get the expected result, you can use one of the other answers in this question, or as @Tig mentioned, you can use decimal.decimal as the jump argument. Make sure to initialize it with a string rather than a float. Or even and then editor's not. If you only use positive jump and integer start and stop, x and y, this works fine. For a more general solution, see here.
I used to use numpy.arrange but had some complications controlling the number of elements it returns, due to floating point errors. So now I use linspace, for example.
Pylab has Frange, a wrapper, actually, for matplotlib.map.frange.
Eagerly evaluated, 2. X range. Lazily evaluated, 2. X range, 3. X range. Alternately.
Sehr schwer,